Are you taking Praxis Health Education Exam, which is exam code 5551? Do you need some help with community health and advocacy competency? If so, then this is the video for you. Hi, my name is Tom, and I'm a retired teacher and test prep expert here at study.com. I'm going to walk you through some of the types of problems you may see. So let's get started. Problem 1. What are the 4 main parts of a well-designed school health education program? So choice A says form a curriculum committee, set a schedule, investigate relevant laws and policies, and communicate with students. So I'm going to eliminate choice A because in choice A, it doesn't include the stakeholders, which would be students, parents, community members. So I would say choice A should be eliminated. Choice C says hold a public debate, form a curriculum committee, frame a plan, and investigate relevant laws and policies. So holding a public debate at this point when you're developing the curriculum is not a good idea until you have communicated with all stakeholders. So I'm going to eliminate choice C. Choice D says form a plan, publish the curriculum, investigate relevant laws and policies, and communicate with parents. So choice D does not have the communication part where you're including all stakeholders, community members, students, parents. It looks like in choice D that they're coming up with their own plan and then communicating that plan to the parents after. So I'm going to eliminate choice D. So the best answer here would be to form a curriculum committee, frame a plan, investigate relevant laws and policies, and communicate with key decision makers and stakeholders. So we're dealing with all stakeholders and decision makers in developing our plan. So choice B would be the correct answer. Problem 2. In which type of environmental hazard does malaria belong? Is it A, cultural hazards, B, physical hazards, C, biological hazards, or D, chemical hazards? All right, so I'm going to eliminate choice A. So cultural hazards would be societal habits that can cause undue effect on something else. So in this case here, malaria is a organism, mosquito to, let's say, human, so that wouldn't fall under cultural hazards. Physical hazards would be, for example, uneven concrete, somebody trips over it, a down wire that they get electrical shock from. So in this case here, malaria does not fall into that category. Chemical hazards, again, hazards having to do with some type of chemical substance, so I'm going to eliminate that. So the correct answer here is malaria is a biological hazard passed from one organism to another organism, and that would be the definition of a biological hazard. Problem 3, which of the following federal organizations might investigate and evaluate the safety of toys made for children? So let's look at choice A, Food and Drug Administration, the FDA. Well, a toy does not fall into food or drug category, so I'm going to eliminate choice A. Choice D, the Federal Trade Commission, the FTC, that is an agency that deals with businesses and fair practices within businesses. I'm going to eliminate choice D. Choice C, Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, deals with the stock market. I'm going to eliminate choice C. So the correct answer here would be choice B, Consumer Product Safety Commission. Problem 4, which of the following is an important step in developing a school health education program? All right, so I can see in here developing a school health education program. So I'm going to eliminate fundraise as often as possible because we're just at the developmental phase of coming up with our program. So I'm going to eliminate choice A. Choice D, make sure that the health program does not cover anything that is in other school health programs in the state. Well, choice D is going to be eliminated. A lot of times we can share information. We can visit other school districts. We can see what they're doing in their health program. So sharing is a key in education. So I'm going to eliminate choice D. Choice B, recruit others to do the hardest work to save yourself for important decision making. Well, I think everybody has to be part of the decision-making process at all times. So I think we can eliminate choice B as one of the answers. So the best answer here would be C, assess and identify health concerns in the community. That concludes our video on Praxis Test 5551, Community Health and Advocacy. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.